if you could stand back. I used to say that I thought I needed space to find my balance, but I might need a hand. And if you could be that, I might need some help to find my balance. Balance, ooh. I'm trying to learn to love myself and what's good for my mental health. I read a lot about self-help. I'll never be polished. I'm trying not to move too fast. I'm trying not to hurt my heart, 'cause I've been pretty good at that, if I'm being honest.